Well, this is not gonna take that long. It's gonna be a chocolate cream puff with a hazelnut filling. I've already got this melted, y'all. It's
How
just
much?
a cup of water, half a cup of butter, and 1/8 a teaspoon of salt. So we have to have this to a rolling ball. So it's balling away. What I need for you to do is measure out 1 cup of flour, and you're gonna have to do it precisely.
Ready?
I'm ready. And now quickly, 2 tablespoons of cocoa and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And this is gonna get like a softball, like quick. Just enough cinnamon to hint it.
Man, that got stiff in a
I
hurry.
know, it does. Now, if you'll take over that, I'm gonna cut off the heat so we got no fire going. Now, Stan, I got 4 eggs. And I'm gonna break these eggs into the bowl, and I'm gonna add them 1 at a time.
Man, this is a lot like work here. But we couldn't use a real, like a...
No.
Okay.
This takes manpower. And there's your 4th one. Don't stop beating, honey. Go,
Why does this have to be done by hand?
Go, go. See, he just needs a little encouragement. Look at you, Stan. All right, that
how's
looks
that?
good. All right, so come on down, and we're gonna put this in a piping bag, Stan. We got 2 bags, 1 for you, 1 for me. Still very, very thick.
About half in each one?
Yeah, so you can do some puffs and...
No, I
And,
don't think I could do that. You think?
You don't want to do any puffs?
I'll try.
Yes, you can. You little cream puff, you know you can do it.
Man.
These bake up, y'all, hollow inside. Now we're gonna put 12 puffs onto our baking sheet. Now what we're gonna do is gonna shake that chocolate down. We're gonna get all the air out of it, and we're gonna puff.
Let me try that.
You can do it, you can do it. Perfect. See, I told you you could,
I can do this.
you can puff. They're gonna go in the oven at 375 for about 30 to 33 minutes. Yes.
That's pretty big baking time. Okay.
Now, when we come back, Stan, Adam Taroni is gonna be joining us. He's a fabulous chocolate maker.
Heard this young guy's good.
He is good, and he's gonna come make this hazelnut filling for us. I've got 2 chocolate geniuses here in the kitchen with me right now. This is Adam Taroni. I had met Adam a few months back, and he brought me some chocolates. And I said, great time of day, these are good. I just had to introduce him to y'all. Now, he's gonna make us a hazelnut filling for our cream puffs.
Okay, so what I'm gonna need you to first do is take the chocolate and melt that down for me.
Okay,
It's a milk chocolate,
Okay,
and
and
it's
it's
5 ounces. of
5
milk
ounces,
chocolate.
okay.
So I'm just gonna have you melt that, and we just toasted 3 cups of hazelnuts. So I'm just
Okay.
gonna grab those.
Now, did you roast those off, Adam?
I did, and it's 3
For
cups.
how long?
For about 5-6 minutes.
At what temperature now?
375 is good. Just until they're golden or a little darker.
Did you put oil on them or anything?
I don't, I just pop them right in, simple
Completely
and
dry.
easy. Even with the skins on, that even creates more of a flavor.
Yum.
So put that
Here,
back
Stan,
there.
I want you to taste, before he does them up, taste a few of those. They're delicious.
So I'm gonna start processing now. Is that all melted?
It's all melted.
Excellent. We're gonna need a 1/4 cup of the powdered sugar to
All right,
this.
To your nuts.
Right.
Okay, how much salt?
Just a pinch of salt.
Okie doke.
So I'm gonna need another 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I want this sweet.
Oh, okay.
Do you like it sweet?
Yes, I like it sweet.
So we're gonna add that, and then we're gonna need that luscious chocolate
Oh, we're gonna put this chocolate right
in there.
Adam, it's
I'll do
hot.
I'll do the heavy lifting.
Okay.
And this is just gonna make it so creamy.
So now Adam is just gonna incorporate the chocolate, y'all, and get it into the bowl.
Look at that. Now this is gonna harden up once we let
Okay.
it sit out for a little bit, and it's gonna start to thicken, and then it will be a good time to add it to our cream puff.
All right, well, let's show everybody how we're gonna fill these, Adam.
Okay.
And you going around here, and, you know, just as another option, because I bet sometimes you do it this way.
You gonna pipe them?
Yeah, I'm just gonna show them how they can pipe them, because most of them are cut, but I think you have 3 whole ones left.
How long do you have to wait before you eat these?
You could pop them right in your mouth. You can eat them right now.
Finally. I can tell you already like this program.
Where's yours? We need to get you a plate.
Look. No, I don't need a plate.
Oh, you just take it.
Look at that plate, Stan.
Try that.
Good, ain't it?
That's really good.
It's not overpoweringly sweet.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.